Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and today we are diving right into some unboxing. Oh my God, I haven't shopped in forever, and there was just a few things that I had to get. I really needed them for my studio. I'm trying to set up my home where each room has a camera in it. Hello. Where I can do videos expressing different things. I'm going to do a whole bartending series, which I have my bartending license. I've had it for a while now, but I want to show you guys how to make some beautiful things. So today it is all about unboxing a few items that I purchased. I'm going to show you them and then I'll unbox and then come back. So this is Komen. It's actually a lightweight portable partner. It's a selfie stick tripod. I needed this because I want to be able to do more for my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter accounts. So it's amazing. Look at everything you could do. I kid you not. It's tabletops. It has 3-position leg angle adjustment, mobile phone, clip, hot shoe interface. So I tell you, it does everything. I'm looking forward to using it. But you can put your LSR, your digital camera. You could put your iPhone or Android, and you could also put on here a GoPro, which I have all of these. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to open it and show you in a second. Okay, so next I got this, and I believe it's pronounced QUINCEY. It is a beauty light. Gorgeous. Actually, my husband has one. It's QUINCEY. And it's basically, it could be a tabletop, but it has a larger tripod that you can actually sit on the floor. So I'll read a little bit, then I'm open off camera and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so it says dimmable ring light, universal phone holder, adjustable tripod stand, best partner for live streaming. So I got this because I'm doing a lot more Zoom for my business. And so I want to be able to have a nice light, not just necessarily my studio light, which I don't want to burn these lights out doing Zoom calls and stuff like that. And I also want to do more with my bartending. So I will use this light to help illuminate the bar, the drinks, and things like that. I'm going to open it and be back. Okay. Another thing, as you know, I've been home for a while, and trust and believe, I'm doing my own hair, my own nails, my own dog, everything. All right, so this here, I was like debating if I should get it, but I'm like, you know what? It'll be a cold day in hell before I go back to the hairdresser and try and figure out if it's going to be safe. I can do my own hair, okay? So I ended up getting the Conair. This is the 1875 watt Pro Style bonnet dryer. And I love Conair products. So officially, I'm going to be doing my own conditioning here. Just sit on the dryer. If I have to dry my extensions, the likes, I will definitely be using this puppy. It was highly recommended, got good ratings online. So I'm pleased to show you. And it folds up quite easily, snaps into place, and can be easily stored. This I'm showing you now because I've already taken it out of the box. I haven't used it yet. So once again, Conair Pro Style. It's 1,875 watts. Okay, next. Okay, so as I was saying, the X-Power Home Pet Dryer. Aren't those little babies so cute on the picture? They're so cute. I decided to get the purple because I love purple. And it says 2-in-1 dryer plus vacuum. So I believe it dries and then it also absorbs the water out. This here was a no-brainer. I know I needed to do more grooming at home. So in addition to that, I'm going to open it off camera. This is so heavy, but it's so compact. It's so cute in the box. It's just wonderful. I highly recommend it. I can't remember the price. I think it was like $75, but it'll last a lifetime because it'll be a cold day in hell, like I said, for me to take QUINCEY to the groomer. They're not even open yet. We had him working with a mobile groomer, but she's been shut down since the beginning of the pandemic, and who knows if she's going to open back up. I hope she does. But in addition to that, I wanted to make sure that his coat was always kept up. So I've been grooming him, brushing him, and I bought this. It's called Shine On. It's a little hard to read, but it says Shine On Plus Sheen. It's the Blissful Dog Company. And it really is so cute. It's so cute, this little doggy that's on here. I kid you not, his coat is beautiful because of it. In addition to that, I bought this. This is called Ultra Cruise Canine Grooming. And it's by San Juan Ranch, Santa Cruz Animal Health. That's who makes this. And this is a 32 fluid ounce. It fortifies hair and eliminates tangles and knots. So when I need to brush him, I'm spraying this on, brushing him. So then you want to brush your dog before you bathe him, for sure. So then after that, I'm going to try this dryer probably tomorrow. I may not be able to get to it today. I spray while he's wet, let this soak in. It gives a nice shine and sheen. I'm going to ask QUINCEY to come on camera for a second. QUINCEY, come here. Come. Okay. So this is the little fluffy ball right here. I've been doing an okay job. He's a little scared. He's like, Bobby, what you doing? What are you doing, Bobby? So I've been trying to keep him nice and fluffy. And I've cut him today. He's nice and clean. So the product does work. I have yet to use the blow dryer on him, but I shall soon. Probably tomorrow we'll do a whole bath spray day. So I highly recommend this. I'll leave the names down below. Yes, when you're grooming at home. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause for a second, unbox everything, show you guys everything in real life. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've taken the time to take everything out of the box for the most part. This QUIA, QIAYA, dimmable ring light, I can't really take out of the box until I'm ready to assemble. So let me show you what it looks like inside. I don't want to spill everything on the floor, but if you could see, it's really neat. It's a cute little ring. I think it's maybe 11 inches or so. It has a remote control, a little switch, and it dims. It goes like 3 different levels. It has a little attachment for your cell phone, which is so cute. It's just adorable. It really is. And you just plug it in and there you go. And of course it comes with, you could plug it into the wall, or it has a USB cord as well. Yeah, so it has the light control. You press, it has a remote shutter so that you could snap as you need. This is wonderful. Very, very nice. Okay, so highly recommended. I think I got it on Amazon. I think it was like $39, and it's totally worth it because you could take it everywhere. Okay. All right, so try to maneuver this. Okay, this is the Coleman, the tripod, which is a basic tripod. It's very, very sturdy. It's quite nice. It has a ball head at the end. Oh, let me just see. I don't want it to come down. Let me see. Just tighten it a little bit. But yeah, I mean, it's perfect for tabletop, desktop, kitchen counter. It's quite nice. Rarely do I find a tripod that's so sturdy from the get-go. Oh, I like it. It's nice. It's very, very nice. So I highly recommend it. I really do. You can sit up here fine, sit on the table, sit on the counter, whatever. Okay. Next, this is the X Power. Let me turn it around for you. The X Power 2-in-1. It's a blow dryer for your pet, and also a vacuum. So my idea, I have not read the instructions yet. It comes with a few accessories as well, comb, brush, and the suction for vacuuming up. So I'm thinking you could easily remove some of the water from your dog, like on the feet or paws or something like that, and then immediately go into blow drying. So I am excited about all my new products. And it's been kind of interesting just doing everything myself at home. And quite honestly, I enjoy doing things for myself at home. My hair, I do my own hair. I color my hair now. I do my own hair extensions. I do my lashes. I'm making masks. I've got the grooming going on. And trust and believe, I had to take my nails off. They're slowly but surely growing out. But this is better for my nails anyways. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know this might have been a little bit lengthy unboxing video, but I got some good things, nice things that I'm going to use, and I'll keep you posted on how well they work. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family, the bell, so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog and try and see if you like these lashes. They're on there. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.